Synapse, smart fluid management for your dealership. It's time to install Synapse. This site ordered 2 tank level sensors, 4 smart meter handles, and 1 network transmitter. So get your tools and safety gear. Careful there, Steve. Lastly, you'll need a computer and internet access. All set? Let's get started. The first time you log in, you'll need the account number we emailed to you in your welcome message. Then add your email and set your password. Follow the prompts to add your location details, complete with your new Synapse products. Match each item by serial number and fluid according to your location. Finally, add your technicians by assigning a unique 4-digit PIN so they'll be authorized to use the smart meter handles. Plug in your network transmitter base station in a clear, elevated location in your shop. This will optimize the communication path between each device. When attaching your smart meter handles, make sure each handle is connected to the right hose associated with the tank and product. Installing the tank level sensors is the final step. When complete, your Synapse fluid management system will take your dealership to the next level. The system will pay for itself in no time. You'll be more profitable. Your workforce will appreciate the upgrade. You may be blowing this out of proportion. Not by much. Maybe a little though. As I was saying, the Synapse Fluid Management System is a smart investment for your dealership. It's not complicated, but don't take our word for it. Check out our testimonials. Take your dealership to the next level with Synapse. Visit our customer content resource section in the bulk oil booth for more information and to download Synapse brochures.